Huh?
Okay. Okay.
So I'm going to share my screen and then. Okay. All of us will say the prayers together.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna
Hi, Bol.
Hare Krishna
Mataji, you all can hear me, right? Rita Gandharika Mataji, you all can hear me?
Yes, we can hear you and we can see.
We can hear Mataji.
Also, we can see.
Because my internet is a little bit problem, so I've joined from the hotspot. So I hope it comes back soon.
Yeah, if you want, I can share your screen. I kept ready in between. If you want, I can do that.
Oh. Okay, kids. So our Friday Kids Bhakti Vikshika. Okay, we will start with our prayers. Everybody can unmute yourself. And remember, if we know the prayer also, we are going to say it slowly so that all our friends can say with us.
Prayers.
Yes,
Prayers.
prayers. Okay?
Prayers.
Om
Shri Guruve Namaha.
Om Namo
Vishnu Krishna Prishthaya
Bhutale
Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Advaita Gadadhara Sri Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Rama Rama Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Rama 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 Hare
So now,
Hare Krishna 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 Rama Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare
I'm going to do number 22.
I muted Mataji.
First, see to it that you're saying it together with me one by one. Okay, one word at a time. Is it okay?
Mataji, you are breaking, Mataji.
Haribol?
You were breaking a lot.
Oh, this internet is a problem.
Mataji, freeze.
Mataji, you're freezed. I said.
Can you hear me now, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, we can hear you now. Yes.
Okay. Okay, everybody together.
Mataji, you're freezed.
Vasamsi.
Mataji, you can off your camera.
Huh?
You can off your camera. That will help you. I stop your camera. Let's
Vasamsi jirnani. Yatha vihaya.
Mataji, I cannot hear you.
Okay.
No, we can hear you. We can hear.
Okay. Vasamsi jirnani.
Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya.
Vasamsi jirnani.
Mataji, you're breaking, Mataji. You're really breaking, Mataji.
Yes, it will come back.
Breaking.
Yes, yes. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Madhuri, the internet is back. Just give me 1 minute. I'm getting connected. Okay. Haribol, can you hear me now?
Yes, Mataji, I started sharing.
Yes.
Sharing.
No,
Okay.
Madhuri, yeah, the internet is back now. So no worries.
No worries. Okay, then I'll stop sharing. Okay. Okay, Mataji, go ahead and share.
Okay. So now.
Class. But I was 6.
Vasamsi jirnani. Yatha vihaya. Navani granati. Naroparani. Vasamani. Yatha vihaya. Navani granati. Naroparani. Vasamsi jirnani. Yatha vihaya. Navani granati. Naroparani.
We're gonna do it until
Sharirani. Tatha. Can you say after me? Tatha. Sharirani. Kartik, can you say after me? Vihaya. Tirnanya. Tatha sharirani. Vihaya jirnanya. Tatha sharirani. Vihaya jirnanya. Tatha sharirani. Vihaya jirnanya. Anyani samyati. Dehi. Anyani samyati. Navani dehi.
Navani devi.
Vasamsi jirnani.
Vasamshadirnamni.
Yatha vihaya.
Yatha vihaya.
Navani grinati.
Navani
Taro parani.
paradi.
Tatha sharirani. Kaya jirnanya.
Anyani samyati navani dehi.
Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya. Navani grinati navani.
Navani grinati naro
Sharirani vihaya. Anyani samayati navani.
Anyani
Very good. Now when we are not talking, you can mute yourself, okay? If you want to ask something, you can raise your hand, but then we will see the meaning of it, okay? And I will tell one person that Vasu, can you unmute yourself and read the translation?
Translation. As a person puts on new garments, giving up old ones, similarly, soul accepts. I can't see it because of the messages.
Can you see now?
Yes, now I can see. Soul accepts new material bodies, giving up the old ones and useless ones.
Very good. Okay, so Anshul, can you tell me what does garments mean? You can unmute and say. Anshul?
Garments mean clothes.
Very good. Garments means clothes. Okay. So now what is the translation saying is, as a person puts on new garments, that means puts on new clothes, giving up the old ones. That means when you remove the old ones and throw it away. Similarly, the soul accepts new material bodies, giving up the old and useless ones. Okay. So we will see exactly what this means with the help of our slides. Okay. Now I want Chaitanya to answer. Chaitanya Charan, you can answer. You can unmute and answer, Chaitanya Charan. So if you are wearing new clothes tomorrow you take a snan, you take a bath and you remove your old clothes and then you keep it in the washing to wash, right? Do you cry when you remove those clothes?
No.
No. Karthik, can you unmute yourself and answer? When you are going outside to school, or when you're going to school, or when you're going to someone's place and you have to wear new clothes, then you remove your clothes which you're wearing and you wear a new cloth. Do you feel sad that you're changing clothes?
No.
No, right? So see, as a person puts
Because
on
you're
new...
still wearing those clothes.
Yes, you're still wearing clothes, right? Very good point, Karthik. You're still wearing clothes. Okay, hold on to that point. Next, I want to ask one person over here. Okay, Garima, you can unmute yourself. Now, what do we see over here, Garima? Can you tell me?
Okay.
In this slide, what do you see?
What, Mataji?
What are you seeing on this slide, Garima? What photos do you see over here?
Old clothes.
Yes, old clothes, right? So see, Vasamsi Jirnani. Okay, we will go back to our slide again of this. See, Vasamsi is what? Garment. That means clothes. And Jirnani means old and torn clothes or old clothes which are worn out clothes. So Jirnani, Jirnani is what? One which gets torn out or one which has holes into it and it is torn away. So the garments or the clothes which are torn away. See, Vasamsi Jirnani. See the clothes which are not being used, they are thrown away. See, anybody is sitting over here and crying? Are they crying over here? Keshav. No, right? Keshav, can you unmute yourself? Keshava? Do you, is anybody crying over here? Oh, I am losing my clothes. Now what to do? Are they crying over here?
No.
No, right? The same. Okay, we will go back to another slide. Okay. So see, what is it? Vasamsi Jirnani. That means the clothes which are old and which are torn out. Okay. We give them away. We give them up. We are not wearing them anymore. We will again go back and then see for the next one. See? Okay. Now, Tanvi, I want you to answer. What do you see over here, Tanvik? Tanvik, you can unmute.
I see some clothes there.
Are they new clothes or old clothes, Tanvik?
I am
These
the
clothes.
the old.
No. There's a tag over here and it's a nice shop in which the clothes are kept. See this lady over here, she's going on purchasing clothes. New clothes, right? These are new clothes. Janvi, I want you to unmute and answer. Will you be happy to see new clothes? Yes, right? You will want them new clothes?
Yes.
Yes, right? So now, Navani Granati. Navani means what? Naveen. That means new. See, all these words are Sanskrit words, right? And in many of your languages, you will feel that, oh, in my language also they say same word. Okay. So in some of the language, like if you see the Marathi or Devanagari, you see Naveen means what? It is new. So Navani means what? New. Ani Granati. Granati means when you are going to accept them or you're going to take them. So again, we'll go back to our slide. Okay. See. Navani Grinati Naroparani. That means a man or he will accept that those new clothes. So what do we know? Old clothes we are going to give away and new clothes we are going to take. How many of you? Okay, I want Kavish, can you answer me? Can you unmute and answer? So are you happy when you're doing this, that you're giving away the old clothes and you're taking the new clothes? Will you be happy?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. I'm going to just scroll and ask all of them over there. Please come on your videos so that I see you and I can tell you to answer. Okay. So now, just as we are seeing that nobody wants this old clothes, everybody is ready to remove it. Vasam sijirnani. Okay. That means you, whatever is torn away, whatever is not good, that we are ready to yatha vihaya. We are ready to give away. And navani grinati, new I am ready to accept. That is the nature of a person. Navani grinati naroparani. So now we will see, that was with respect to clothes. Now Ishan, can you unmute yourself and answer me over here? What do you see over here?
I see like an old lady and an old man.
Very good. Okay, so you see some people who are old over here, right? Now sometimes see, when you see a baby, or when you see, now suppose you are 10 years old, but you see a 5-year-old person, see you, a baby you see. Do you feel happy looking at that baby? When the baby is playing or when the baby is doing some activities, right? We feel happy, right, Vasu? Very good. Jagdish, do you feel happy? Very good. So, yeah, so what happens is, our body is growing because we are in this world, right? The body is growing. But last week also we saw the verses that there is a soul in our body. That soul is always young. That soul does not get old. It does not get that, oh, I'm 100 years old now, I'm such a old body. No, the soul is always young. Okay, so what is changing is the body is going to grow from small, from a baby stage to a old age, to a young stage, to the old age. So this is, the body gets old, but the soul, our soul is still young. Okay, the same way what happens, see, Navani Dehi, that means what will happen? Just like the old clothes were torn away, they were just removed and they were taken into by a new cloth of set. The same way, our body, when it is growing, okay, see, I'll have this picture for you. See, our body went from a small baby stage, they go to a young boy, to a big boy, to an adult, then to a big person, and then they start getting old. And then what happens is, it is going to be in a cycle. See, you know a cycle, right? A wheel of a cycle. It has no end. It will go on and on and on and on. See, from a baby stage, you'll be a child, a teenager, an adult, a old age, and then the soul will leave this body. Okay, and in our material terms, that is called as death. Okay. So we will just say that, okay, the soul is leaving the body. Now the soul is leaving the body. That means how many of you, okay, Gandharvika, can you answer me? So if the soul is leaving the body, does that mean that the soul is dying now?
No,
Why? But the soul is leaving the body.
because the soul never gets old.
Very good. Give a big pat on your back. The soul never gets old, right? It is the body which is getting old. Suppose you have a machine, okay? You have a car machine which you have been using for 10 years, and then it starts making noise. Krok, 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 it starts making noise. Are you still going to use that, or what will you do? Pranav, what do you think you will do if the machine in the car is making noise and it is troubling you? What will you do?
I'd get a new one.
Okay. So the same way, what happens to the human body is that once you get old, the cells have finished their multiplication, the cells have finished their duplication, and all the processes are done. And now the body does not have that enough energy where it can carry your soul. So what does the soul do is, the soul just moves to a different body. Just their dress has got old, it is torn from all the sides, and I can no more use that dress. I will just throw that dress away and take a new one, right? Sometimes if I'm very, very attached to that dress, I might feel sad. Oh, my dress is gone. I might feel sad. But I won't sit on crying, right? Oh, my dress is gone. Now what to do? No dress. Will I do that? Will I do that, Prathamesh?
No.
I will just go get a new dress, right? The same thing with our body. Okay? The same thing happens with our body. We are growing, the body is growing, but the soul is the same. See, over here, when the body gets old, the soul leaves the body, and it comes back again. Okay? So see, Navani Dehi. Dehi means what? Deha. Deha means body. Navani Dehi, that means there is a new life which comes. Okay, and the new life comes when the old body is being discarded or the old body is been removed. Okay, and the soul is just going to transmigrate. Now it is a big word for you. Transmigrate means what? It is just moving from one body to another. See over here to show you. See, now if I tell you, if I'm going to show you a picture over here, okay, and you will love that picture. See over here. Now, if I see this photo and if I see this photo, right, is there a difference in both of them? Ram Sridhar, can you unmute yourself?
Yes. Madhuri, can I say who that is?
Okay, one second. I'll ask you, okay?
Yeah.
Is there a difference in both the
Yes.
pictures? Yes,
Yes.
there is a difference, right? But do you feel it's the same person?
Mataji.
Ah,
Yes.
yeah.
Mataji.
Yes. So see, that's the same person.
Mataji, can I say who it is?
Yes, please.
I think it's Jayapataka Swami.
His Holiness Jai Pataka Swami Maharaj ki Jai. Okay.
I
So
think
he's the same person, right?
Jay.
Yes. But what has happened? That the soul is the same. The body changes. See, this is the best example, right? Last time we saw about the baby images and the big images also, and the big adult images also.
The one in the police dress?
That is again His Holiness Jai Pataka Swami Maharaj. Okay, in his early ages. And then see, the body is changing. So sometimes you see, oh, is it the same person? If I bring a baby picture and if I have a Maharaj picture, this picture of Maharaj, you will say, oh no, it is not Maharaj because it is such a baby picture. So what is happening? See over here, the picture of the baby and of the adult might look very different, because every 7, you know what the science says? Hey kids, you know what, if your video is on, I can just see you all and it feels so nice to see you. Can have your videos on. So see, when the soul is remaining same and the body is going on, keeping on changing. The science says that every 7 to 8 years the cells of the body are changing. So it is that from a baby to 7-year-old, you look completely different. From a 7-year-old to a 17-year-old, again you look different. And from 17-year-old to a 27-year-old, again you look different. You start getting mustache and you start getting beard and all sorts. So then the body is going to change and make changes for you to look. But inside our body, the soul is still going to remain the same. Right? So now, Janavi, can you unmute? Or okay, Janavi, who is this Janavi?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, Janavi, when we are changing clothes, see over here, can you tell me, when you are changing clothes, will you cry? No, right? Jagannath, will you feel unhappy, sad when you are changing clothes?
No, Mataji.
No, it is right. It is just changing clothes. So the same way, a realized person, a self-realized person, or a person who has read the scriptures, and for that matter, it can be you all also. Okay, Monish, can you unmute yourself and read this line over here? You can come on video also, Monish. Nicole, are you there? Yes, Monish, can you read this?
A realized person understands that the body will change just like we change clothes.
Right? See? Person, or if you also read these scriptures and if you understand the philosophy, what will happen? You will also know that, oh, see, that is just changing of clothes, right? Ansh and Devam, you want to unmute and talk? Ansh, Devam.
Shamagori.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay, Mataji is just asking. 1
Do
second.
you like this slide, Devam?
Do you like the slide? See? Yeah. Do you get sad when you change clothes? No.
Do we
Thank
cry
you.
when we change clothes? Do we feel tired or unhappy?
Thank you so much. Okay, Shama Gauri, do I see your video, Shama Gauri?
Yeah, so even if people even get a new body, they still have a young
So
soul, and they have a new life, and then they go back to another one and keep on going. So like until they go to Krishna, and then when they go to Krishna, like they'll not be born again, and
yes.
so like even if I change my clothes and I won't cry for some reason. So it's like it's good that we change our clothes and we put on new clothes, because then we get to be very looking good.
Very good, very good. Vrinda, can you read what is written on this slide over here?
We cannot read.
Yes, Mataji. Like, no, Mataji.
Life between birth and death.
Yes, see, that means, see, life is over here. It is small baby, it becomes big, it big, and then death. So what is happening? That we are living over here, but there is birth and there is death. And Balavrinda, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
So what do you think, Balavrinda? Life and death, is it same for everyone, or is it going to be choosy? Okay, no life, no birth for a person, no life, no death for a person, or is it same for everyone?
Yes, it is same for everyone.
Very good.
Mataji,
Yes.
why does the body die?
The body is made up of material things, right? Whatever is material has to have an end.
They don't go all the way to the
Come to an end. So if our body is made material, it is made of the 5 elements. It will someday, it will have to be worn out. Just like clothes, right? That is the reason we give the example of the clothes. That because clothes are also made of something. How long? If you keep it folded also, safe also, it will, if you remove it, it will start tearing apart. Okay, because everything which is in the material world has an end. Okay, whether it is happiness, whether it is sadness, whether it is the weather, anything which is there, it is always going to change. Nothing is going to be permanent. Okay, only what is permanent is your soul, which is eternal. Okay, we will come to it now. Now see over here, I want whom? You know what? I am going to have Advait. Advait, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, Mataji.
Advait, can you read this first slide?
One who has taken his birth is sure to die, and after death, one to take birth again. Surrender to holy names of Lord and stop this cycle of repeated birth and death.
Very good. See, so what does it say? That one who has taken birth, no matter like in whichever age it was, whether it was in the Kali Yuga, in the Treta Yuga, or anywhere it was. Now over here we know, okay, we have like 70 to 80 years, 100 years the lifespan. Earlier it might have been thousands of years, but though it is thousands of, you know what, to the fact, to the thank you, Ashita. Matter of fact, it is that, you know what, Brahma and these demigods, they also have a lifetime. They also are going, they also have come into this world, and they are also going to have a life, and then they will also be annihilated. So what is it? Like everything which is there in this world has a ending as well. And that is the reason it is said that one who has taken birth,
Material world.
Krishna is apart from this material world. He is the creator, right? He is the father of everyone. He is the eternal father, right?
And also Brahma help.
Yes, Brahma is the creator who is working under the instructions of the Lord, right? So one who has taken his birth is sure to die, and after death, again see, after death he will take birth again. That is also for sure. And we will see again what is the next part with it. And we will come back. We'll come back to this slide again because I want to explain the surrender later on. See, getting out of the cycle of birth and death.
Skeleton who has a sword in the next picture.
Yes, so see, this is death which is taking in, and the birth or the life which is giving life. So this is the cycle of birth and death, that a birth will take place, and then the whole world according to in the world, and then again death will take him into the arms. Now the main question over here is, how long am I going to take this whole thing? Because when you come in this world, you get sick. You have a material body, this is paining, that is paining, sometimes it is very happy, sometimes it is very sad, right? So you have to see that what is my exact reason that I am coming into this world. We have to understand that, and that will be understood only after we read the scriptures. What is my reason? Why am I coming to this world? If my soul is eternal, where is my soul coming from? What am I to do with that soul? Okay, and why? First of all, you have to say, I'm taking this birth and death, birth and death, birth and death. Why am I taking? Anybody has any answer? I am going to ask Surabhi, Sevya, and Gopal, is it? Can you unmute and answer? Why do you think we are coming again and again and again and again in this world?
Because every time we come to this world, we get material desires.
Because we need to.
And then Krishna said that you have been forgetting me for a long time. So then he again sends us to this material world.
Yes, right. We are forgetting Krishna. That is one thing. We are forgetting Krishna. That is the reason we are again coming back. Second thing, anybody else? I want somebody else. You know what? Whom? If I see your photo, if I see your Jagannath, can you answer me? Please keep your video on. Parikshit is also there. Jagannath and then Parikshit. Jagannath, can you answer me? Why do you think we are coming back to this material world?
Because we didn't perfect our lives, and
Very good. We didn't perfect our life. Very good. Parikshit? Parikshit, you want to answer? You can unmute. Okay, Parikshit isn't there. Okay, Gandharvika, you want to answer? Gandharvika, you can unmute yourself. Why do you think we are coming back to this material world?
Because we have still desires. Our desires are not fulfilled.
Very good, very good. So we still have desires, right? So see, what does human being think? We are those who are in the Govinda group. You are doing King Bharata story, right? Balavrinda, are you learning the King Bharata story, Jada Bharata story?
Yes, Mataji.
So can you tell me why did King Bharata took a deer life?
Because when he was dying, what he was thinking.
When he was dying, because when he was dying, he was thinking all about the deer.
Yes. So see, that means we have desires. You say, oh, I want to go to the mall. Oh, I want to go to Paris. Oh, I want to go to London. I want to go on a beach, right? I want to go have a big cycle. I want to have a big car. So these are all desires which you have. Okay. What are desires? I want this, I want that, I want a big house. Everything are desires which we want, right? Now, as kids, what do you think? What desires you have? I'm going to ask Keshavi. Keshavi, what desires you have?
so many.
Any one of them can you name?
One of my desires, I think doing homework sometime.
Okay.
And
Okay. See, what is your desire? Any desire you have?
no, that's all.
Okay.
I know.
Shri?
Is it she?
Yes, Shri.
I also have lots.
Any one you name? You can think about it. Yes, Vasu.
Having a Nintendo.
Aha, yes, okay. Yes, Ashutosh.
Bungee jumping out of a helicopter.
Ashutosh want to do a bungee jumping out of the helicopter.
Mataji, can I go?
Yes, you go, please. Tell me your desire.
Hey, what is that? It's very scary.
Go ahead. Who was speaking?
Bhakti?
Yes.
My desires are most likely toys and chocolate.
Yes. See, and you know what? Everybody is going to have desires. So it is okay. Sri Lasya, do you have anything to share? Any desire which you have that yes, this is my desire?
My desire that I have is basically once like whenever to go to the mall and then get whatever I want there.
Yes, as kids, definitely you have that, right? Anshul, you want to answer?
Mataji, can Anika go?
Yes, Minika, please go ahead, and then Anshul, okay? Yes, Minika.
I want a new Chromebook and I want a bigger bike.
Yes. Anshul, you have something to share?
Yeah, I want to have the most expensive car in the world and a really big house.
Okay. Shreya?
Mataji, can I go?
Yes.
Mataji, can I go?
Yes, Shri, you are left to answer.
I wanna be I want to be an expert at art.
Very good, very good. So these are all our desires that we still have. You know, that I want this, I want everything. When you're not speaking, we can keep yourself, okay? And when I ask you, you can unmute yourself. Thank you so much. You all have been so awesome.
Mataji, I want to do. I Mataji, say some questions to you. Mataji, can we go? I want to say question, Mataji.
No question.
Shirisha, you can say first. And then, who was it, Balavrinda? Shirisha, go ahead.
My desire is having lots of toys.
Very good. Very good. That is okay. You know what? It is okay to have, because see, I do not expect that you should say something very fantastic or very spiritual, because as kids, it is very, very natural for you to have these desires. Okay. And then, what? Yes, somebody was saying, was it Balavrinda or who was it?
Mataji. Chitamnik Mataji.
Yes, Balavrinda, go ahead.
What do you want?
I'm thinking.
Faster.
Well, my favorite is to watch phone.
What phone? Yeah.
Watch phone.
Always want phone.
Always want phone. And I love to go Vrindavan and
Very nice. Very nice. Now, you know what we have to do?
play with my friends.
Yes. So, if these desires are going to be there, we have to see, we are human beings, so these desires are going to be there. It is not that we are doing something wrong. Now these desires, you know what, I was listening to His Holiness Radhanath Maharaj class. What he said was that desires are going to be there because your soul, right, your soul is active. It has to be active. It is like a small child. A small child cannot sit down for a long time, right? It hops here and there.
Wants to say.
Yes. Who's it?
Garima wants to say.
Okay, yeah. Garima, okay, go ahead. And then we will have everyone talk, okay? Again, Garima, you can say, and then we can slides.
I desire to go to Vrindavan.
Very good. You should pray for all of us also that we all go to Vrindavan, okay? Chaitanya Charan, I will again ask you, okay?
Go.
Now, what happens is, when these humans...
Can I go?
Let us finish this, and at the end we will have a talk, okay? Just hold on to that thought for some time. You can write it down and then we'll come back to it. So see, as long as...
Can I go? Can I go?
Go where? At the end I will ask you, okay? At the end I will ask you. Please, at the end we can say. So,
Can I go?
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Yes, I will tell you to speak at the end, okay?
Mataji,
Yes.
can I go?
At the end, can I tell you to speak at the end?
Okay.
Thank you. So, as long as these desires are there, you can mute yourself if you are not if you're not answering, so that everybody can hear, okay? So long as these are there, you know what will happen? Then we will think that suppose it is at the end of the a person is thinking that I want to go to Paris, and suppose that person leaves his body. That thought of going to Paris will still remain in that person. And then the next body which the person takes will be with to going to Paris. That will be the body's nature of Paris. So,
Be born as a cockroach in Paris.
remember we said that I am, and you know what? Yes, we are going to talk about that also. That I have to have karma.
I think we're psychopaths.
I have to have my karma also. What is going to decide that next body what I take? Who is going to decide? What is going to decide that what like next body what I will become into? I will come as a cockroach, I will come as a lizard, I will come as a bird, or I will come as a human being. Because those who are doing the Govinda group, we have seen, right? Like the King Bharata, he thought about the deer and he took a deer body. Then what happened when he came into the deer body? He was thinking, oh Krishna, he said, what did I do? I thought about the deer, and see, now I'm in a deer body. So we have to be very careful what we are thinking of. And okay, so what we have to do is that when we are, it should become a, see, at the time of leaving this body, it suddenly will not come. Krishna will suddenly not come. If you get into a habit of remembering Krishna every time, right? If you sneeze, instead of saying, oh God, excuse me, something, if you say Krishna, you are remembering Krishna. If you go looking out for, suppose you are looking for a pencil in your house and you're not finding a pencil, and you go find a pencil, you say, oh, thank you, Krishna, that you found me a pencil. You are remembering Krishna.
Mataji,
Yes.
my pencil, I don't need to find it. I have like 20.
Then you might find some eraser. So, this way, if we remember Krishna, always remember Krishna.
Question, but not
Unmute. Unmute.
Yes.
Yes, Chaitanya Charan.
My desire is
Evil.
like having toys.
Okay, having toys, right? Yes. At this age, you will have toys, right? And I'm sure in TKG, you are playing a lot, many toys. Okay, for everyone, just to tell, Chaitanya Charan is studying in TKG in Dallas, and he is a very, very wonderful devotee. Hari bol to Chaitanya Charan. Okay, so see, what we do is we have to remember that Krishna is our dear friend. And what we feel, how many times am I going to take this birth, death, see this all changing of clothes, how many times am I going to come, and I'm sick, this, that, body, sometimes your leg is paining, sometimes your head is paining, there are so many people who are troubling, and then people understand that what am I doing, what is the reason of my life. There comes a point in your life when you start thinking about it. Okay, how many desires I'm going to keep on having, because every time I come in my life, I'm going to have desires. So the best way is to surrender to Krishna. Okay, Tanvik, can you read this out for me?
On the fifth canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, I saw Maharaj Bharat.
Oh, very nice. Can you read this for Tanvik? Very nice. Thank you for sharing, Tanvik.
Krishna. Surrender.
Can you read this slide for me? Others can mute yourself if you're not saying anything. Bhakti, can you read this slide?
Accept Krishna part?
Yes.
Accept Krishna as your friend. You will be happy. This is the message of Krishna consciousness.
Very good. See, what I do is, I want to go to Paris. I want a big bike. I want to go on the beach. Everything I'm doing. Please mute yourself if you are not
Mataji.
Need this.
Yeah, let us finish this and I'll come back to it, okay? So see, when I say that I want to go here, I want to go there, it is only for the reason that I want to become happy, right? I want that, if I feel that if I go to Paris, I'm going to be happy. If I wear a new dress, I'm going to be happy, right? So until we have that wrong notion, that wrong feeling, Haribol. Okay, got it. Okay, so see, if we know that Krishna is our best friend, only then we can be eternally happy. Okay. So now we are going to talk about these, see how the soul is being described. Okay. In the Upanishads also it is written that, see, last time also we have done this now, but with this verse we have to read it more carefully. What is there? That two birds, last time remember we had that there are two birds sitting on a tree. One bird is busy eating fruits. He's hopping from one tree to another and he's busy enjoying his life. Okay. And there is another bird which is silently looking at this bird, who is silently just watching this bird and is a witness. Okay, Advait, are you freezed? Can you hear me? So this is the next bird which is just waiting, and it is watching what this bird is.
Mataji,
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
No,
Bhakti, can you hear me?
I can't. I
can't
can't.
hear
I can't hear anybody.
Okay. But then
Can't
you can,
hear you, Mataji.
okay, you can log out and log in again. There may be a problem with your device. Okay. So see, there are two birds which are sitting. See, one of the birds is the soul who is eating the fruit of the tree. He is enjoying his life. Okay. And the other bird is the super soul. And that is also known as the who is also Krishna. Okay. And he's just watching us. The super soul, the Paramatma, is watching us, what we are doing. It is not telling us, stop, don't do this thing. Because what we know, that the Lord has given us free will to do things, right? But the Lord waits that, okay, maybe this bird, after some time, he will get tired of doing the same things over and over again. Again coming to this life, again going through this birth, death, life cycle. When somebody leaves the body, you feel sad. You are so sad about it. Again, you're happy, you're sad, you're happy, you're sad. Maybe sometimes this bird will get tired of this and he will turn to me. And once that happens, that we turn to Krishna, Krishna will embrace us. Krishna is waiting eagerly. Come on, look at me. I'm waiting over here. I am your best friend. Okay. But what are we doing as the bird? We are just busy. Krishna, you can wait as long as you want. I will do my Paris trip and come. I will do my mall trip and come. I will have this nice food and come. I will go to the restaurant and come. You keep on waiting, we say. And then Krishna says, okay, as long as you are over here, I'm here and I will keep on waiting for you. And he is witnessing our acts. That is the reason we say, whenever you are doing anything, you should have that thing in mind, that Krishna is watching me. If I'm being mean to my friends, you have to always think, Krishna is watching me. I should not do that. Okay. So see, we saw how the bodies are changing, and we saw that okay. Now, how many of you look at your Champaklata? Okay. I do not know what's the kid's name. What is your name? I'm asking you to unmute. Garima?
Yeah.
Okay, Garima. Okay, so Garima, when you see your baby picture, do you become happy or do you cry?
I become happy.
Right, isn't it? So it is the same thing, that we are growing. So we do not need to be unhappy that we are growing from a small baby body to a big body. So same way, from a big body to a old body, and from an old body to a new body, right? Ishan, can you answer me? Should I get unhappy if I see if I'm growing from a baby to a to an adult? Will I get unhappy?
No, probably not.
Will I get sad?
Probably not.
No. From a adult, if I become old, will I be sad?
Maybe.
Bhakti, what do you think? Should I be sad? Is there any reason to be sad?
No, because if you are not crying to see you growing, then why should you cry if you see you growing more?
The same way, from an old age, when the soul leaves the body and takes a new body, is there any reason to cry for that? Or is there any reason to feel sad about? No. Very good, Shirisha. Very good, Shri. So this is the main concept of what we are learning, that the soul is changing. See, the cells of our body are changing every now and then. Some cells are dying, some cells are growing, some cells are multiplying. The body is growing because the cells are growing. So there is no change in the cell growing, in the cell dying, and a body growing, and a body and the soul leaving a body. So see, scientists have also said, all scientists discover, okay, wait, you know what? Keshavi, can you read this?
Yes, Mataji. All scientific discoveries about the fundamental principles life is based on proof. that the soul exists.
Okay, see, that means even the scientists say, yes, there is something, there is some spark in the body, and once that goes off, then the body is of no use. So the scientists also believe in that. Okay, so see, this body, see the Paramatma, in every soul there is Paramatma. And we also saw these two birds. So it is, the body is suffering, you know, sometimes it falls down from somewhere. Then Krishna sees it. Krishna also feels that, oh, the body is suffering. Then sometimes someone might be met with an accident, something happens, falling sick. So the body is suffering in this material world. See, it is struggling to live, it is struggling to survive. And Krishna, as the super soul, is witnessing everything to this. And you know what? Why was this Bhagavad Gita told to Arjuna? Anybody thinks why was it told to Arjuna? Let me ask someone. Jagdish, do you want to answer? Why do you think the Bhagavad Gita was spoke to Arjuna?
Because Arjuna did not want to battle.
Okay, that is one reason. And what happened at the end? What happened to Arjuna? What did he do?
He fought.
Yes. And he listened to what the Lord was saying because he was surrendered soul. Okay. He surrendered to Krishna. He said, Krishna, I give up now. I do not know what is going on. Please guide me. Right. And once you surrender, then it happens that the Lord is going to guide you in the right way. Okay, we'll end with this. See, now again, what we said, that you remember I said about taking a birth as a cockroach in a big house. This comes to the karma. We told, right? We will come back to this slide. So see, whatever we are doing in this life is going to tell me what I will become in my next life. If I have been killing an animal, see, the animal looks into the eyes. It is, you know, what is the rule? That when these people, when the butchers are killing, when they're slaughtering these animals, they have to look into the eye of the cow or eye of the animal, and they have to tell them, I'm killing you. And what the cow says, you know, this life you are killing me. Next life it will be your turn and I will be on the other side. This is what is karma. As you sow, shall you reap. Whatever you are going to do in this life, next life you will have to come and pay for it. So if that is the case, how many of you think that you should be doing good things in this life? Can you give me
Mataji.
Right, Jagannath? See,
Yes.
that means this life I have to be so very careful. I cannot in any case be lenient with my life. I cannot do anything wrong with my life, right? Not for anyone. See, we have seen this part. Now we are going to do a...
Mataji,
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
If you like play too much, will you like become your friend?
If you play too much?
I mean, like, I'm telling, if you play too much, will you become your friend?
No, you know what, Jagannath? See, playing, when you are playing as a child, as a human being, right? We know that the soul's nature is also to be playful. It's also young. It is also to be active. So playing is no problem when you're playing. But if you are getting addicted to it, and if you are getting very much attached to it, now for example, not normal playing, but I'm talking about playing video games or playing anything, and if you get addicted to it, that is not good, right? Because that will lead to attachment to a wrong thing. You see, now what happens is when you are going into the outside world, if you go and tell, oh, you know what, I do not know to play a game. Okay. These are such skills which you will learn anyway and anyhow. Okay. So you do not need to master in playing a game. One second, let me complete this part. So when you are playing a game, that is just for an entertainment you are playing. Okay. But these games are so addictive that you get addicted to these games. And that is a downfall, or that is a very wrong thing. Okay. So you should see that you are doing things under control and you are not getting addicted to it. And your main sadhana is not getting sacrificed because of all these acts. Okay. Did I answer your question, Jagannath?
Thank you, Mataji.
Very good. So now we'll go
Hare
to the
Krishna.
story.
Hare Mummy.
And at the
Hare
end,
Krishna Mataji, I have one more question. The last question.
who is this?
Yoshita.
Mataji, I have a question.
Listen. I'm going to write down your names and I'm going to ask you. Okay, so Yoshita is there. Don't worry, I will give you time to ask questions. Let us
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah, please mute yourself. So we'll finish this story and then we'll come back, because I want to tell you how whatever you think in this life is going to affect the next life. Okay, let us do with this story. Now this is the story of Amba. Okay, she was a princess and she was the eldest daughter of King Kashi. Okay, and this is in the time of Mahabharata. Now there were three sisters, Amba, Ambalika and Ambika. These were the three sisters of King Kashi. Okay. Now, out of that, Amba was the eldest, and Amba was one of the daughters, eldest daughter, and she loved the king Kalbhoj. Okay, there was a kingdom, and she liked that prince, and that prince also liked her, and they were going to get married. Now, in earlier times, it was that there was Swayamvar of the girls. Okay, Swayamvar means what? That the girl could decide whom she wants to marry, and they were all princes coming, and whichever prince she felt that is good for her, she would put the garland into his neck. Okay, so that was the way, and it was decided that that king will come, and Amba will put the garland into his neck, and she will get married to him. It was all set. But what happened was, in Hastinapur, Vichitravirya was was going to become a king, and he was supposed to get married. Now they were looking for a princess for him, and then at that time Bhishma came to know that there is a Swayamvar of 3 princes. So he went over there. When everybody saw Bhishma, they said, "How come Bhishma is over here?" Why did they think? Advait, can you answer me? Why do you think that they were surprised to see Bhishma in this Swayamvar? Do you know?
I think so because Bhishma, he made a vow that he won't get married.
Very good. So Bhishma had taken a vow, he will not get married. So everybody was surprised. How is Bhishma coming here? Is he going to get married now? And then Bhishma said, no, I'm not going to get married. I have come to take these 3 daughters of King Kashi so that they will marry Vichitravirya. Now everybody was like, because Bhishma was a big personality. He was the Gangaputra, right? So he was very strong and he was like well equipped with everything. Nobody was ready to fight with him. But then the King Kalbhoj, who was going to get married to Princess Amba, he tried to fight with him, okay, because he wanted to get married to Amba. But in that fight, he lost. Looking at that, none of the other prince did not want to fight with Bhishma. Now what happened was,
Mataji, I have a question.
Can we please take at the end? Okay, hold on to the question, okay, so that we'll just finish this part, please. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, no, can I, no, it's a quick question, please.
Okay, go ahead.
Did the prince who was fighting with Bhishma, did he die?
No, he did not die, but he was unconscious. He did not die. Okay, Bhishma did not kill him. So now these 3 sisters were taken by Bhishma and they went to Hastinapur. Okay, and when they went to Hastinapur and Vichitravirya was supposed to get married to them, Amba said, I cannot get married to Vichitravirya. I already have my marriage set and I'm going there. When Bhishma heard this, he said, oh Amba, I'm so sorry. I did not know that you were supposed to, in a Swayamvar, you had already taken, you had already chosen anyone. So you please go and get married to him. So Ambalika and Ambika will get married to Vichitravirya. This was done. Then what happened? She left. Amba left for her to go to her kingdom and get married to her prince. When she went over there, the prince, she said, oh prince, see, I've come to get married to you. But the prince, you know what, in that time, it was they had so much of dignity that if they were defeated, they would readily take that defeat. And in this case, what had happened, that Amba had already been taken to get married to Vichitravirya, right? So when this King Kalbhoj, he saw that she has come back again, He said, no, I cannot get married to you because you were already won by Bhishma. Bhishma defeated me and he took you away from here. That means I was defeated in that, and now I cannot get married to you. And Amba felt so devastated. She was angry also that everything was said. I was just about to get married, and this Bhishma came and did all sorts of things. And she got very sad. Now there was no way for her to go. So she went back to Hastinapur. And she said, I cannot get married to Vichitravirya. Bhishma, you won me in the battle. Now you have to get married to me. Bhishma said, come on, I am a brahmachari. I have taken a vow. I cannot get married to you. So Amba said, I will see to it that you get married to me. So she said, who is your superior? I know. Your guru is Parshuram. Yeah, Parshuram. So I will go to him and I will tell about him to tell about you to him. And she went over there. When Parshuram heard this, he called for Bhishma. And then when they said that you are going to have a war with me, and then that war continued because he wanted to convince him to get married. But that did not help. Okay. Then Lord Shiva, he stopped because Parshuram and Bhishma, both are good personalities, right? So Lord Shiva, he intervened. And he said that, you know what, that this is going to go on continuing and it will not end. So he said that, you know what, Amba, I know that wrong has happened with you, but Bhishma also cannot go back on his vow. So I grant you that in your next life, this is coming back to our topic, in your next life, you will get a chance where you can avenge whatever wrong has been done to you. And thinking about that, Amba left her body. See, now what did Amba had in her mind? That I want to take revenge of Bhishma. Bhishma has done wrong to me. She did not leave her body in a very nice state. She was thinking about that. And in her next life, she came to be as a daughter of King Drupad. Okay. And then there were some things which happened wherein there was a boon. She went into tapasya and she could change into a, because being a girl, she could not go and fight. So she had to be transformed into a male body. And because after doing penances, okay, because in that time, they could do a lot of penances and do all sorts of mystical things. And then she becomes Shrikhandi. Okay, so Shrikhindini, and he became Shrikhandi. And in the war of Kurukshetra, you know, right, because Bhishma, he is such a noble person. He's a Mahajan. He will not, he will never ever raise any of his weapons in front of a woman or in front. So what happened over there was that when it was the time that Bhishma was not getting, putting down his arms and he was going on fighting, Shrikhindini came in front of him. Okay. And then that was the time when Bhishma put down his arms and then he could be laid down or he could be defeated in that war. So Shrikhindini had said that there will come a time when I will be the cause of your death. And thinking that, she left his body. He left her body, right? So see, coming back to our verse, what did we say? That when we are thinking, whatever we are thinking at the time of death, we are going to take up that. Yes, we are going to take up that body. So this is what we are learning from this verse, right? So that whenever you are changing your body, you are bound to get another body. But you have to always have Krishna in your mind. And that is the reason when your birth and death cycles will be stopped. Everybody has understood this story? You can unmute.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
No, Mataji.
Mataji, unmute yourself, Mataji.
See how many of you can see this? Everybody has a pencil. I will explain this and then I will have your questions also taken, okay? When we are doing this craft, then you can ask questions also. Everybody can see this?
Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So see, now what we did in this chapter, you know what? Those who are new to this Friday class, in this class, we do some craft or some art, which whatever we are learning in that verse, we are going to do that accordingly, okay? So in this verse, we learn that our soul and the super soul are sitting on the same tree, right? And the super soul is witnessing to our soul and he's waiting for us to come back. You see these two birds? So with respect to that, we are going to make these two birds and we do not need a brush for this. Okay. How many of you have your paint and your brush or your hands with you? Everybody has your hands with you? And everybody has some paint with you? See, this is what Ashutosh has done. I'll just stop share for a few minutes. See, this is what Ashutosh has done. Just you have to put paint on your hand and then whichever you want to do, either you want to do this one. If you want to do an owl, you will have to do it upside down. If you want to do a normal bird, you have to do it upright. Okay? Can we start doing it? Everybody has your paint with you?
Mataji, if you don't, can you just draw it?
Mataji, you can wait.
Have a paint, and if you do not have, then you can just draw it. But if you have a paint, I am also going to do that. Okay? So
Mataji, for this chicken, is it okay if we use whatever color we want?
Any color you want.
Mataji,
Yes.
I don't have.
If you do not have a paint, then what you can do is,
Mataji, we got it.
yeah, 1 second, okay? If you do not have a paint, put your hand over here and just make the outline of your hand, okay? But remember, we are going to have this looking at each other, okay? See, that means your okay, see this over here. When you put this over here,
Yellow button.
and I am doing also
Just put yellow.
okay.
What's big paint okay now?
Orange bird on me. Okay.
No, what's the put there?
Yes, yellow wash will paint.
Wait.
I will have to do
Wait,
it.
paint it.
How do I put this?
Don't do my
Wait, paint it.
Yes, can show.
Start
Okay, see now I am putting this paint on my hand.
Achoo.
Okay, I do not have a okay.
Achoo.
Mataji,
Yes. If you have any question, ask now. Okay, if you have any question, ask now.
Why are you using orange?
I had orange. Yes, anybody had any question about the story, about the topic, you can ask. See, now I'm going to have this on my hand. How many of you like to play with paint? It dries off quickly, okay? It dries off quickly, okay? So do it.
see Mataji.
Okay, see, now I'm going to do it.
Mataji.
See?
No, make that thumb go down.
Yeah. See, now I want the bird to be looking down. So I have done a hand slanting, okay? And see to it that I am doing it nicely. Aha. Yes. If it does not come sometime, then just put your finger again. Okay?
No, Tabo, just do this.
No, I can again. No. Same. Don't waste. Don't waste. No, I don't want to waste paint. See? Okay. Okay, now I want to do a next. So my next hand will be again used. So can you take this away?
You don't just like.
Now I have to do my next finger because I want the bird to be looking at each other. So both of my hands are going to be used. Okay. Now my next hand is going to be used. You can come on video and show it to me, okay? This is going to be. Don't do any mess in your tables, okay? Otherwise your parents will be.
Mataji,
Yes.
I already did one.
You did one, very good. Do a second one also. See, I am also going to do a second one now. Okay, the second one, and I am going to see over here. Can you hold this, Ashutosh? Why are you going and sitting over there? Come here. Oh, come here. And then I will tell you how to do the head part of the. Keep it over here so everyone can see it. See, now because this bird is just watching, so I'm not going to have this slanting. Okay, so over here.
Yeah, that's why this is straight. The other one will be slanted down.
Other one was a little bit slanting. Okay. So now I will just show you what it looks like. Okay. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I'll wash my hands and come. Okay. Okay, somebody, Yoshita and somebody had questions about this story, right? Please, can you ask now? I'm sorry, I could not answer you that time.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. So it's not about the story. It's about what we learn in the soul and the body. So you know, like at a certain age, we earn maturity. Will like in our next life, will that maturity stay with us? The same maturity?
You know what?
Like, will the maturity continue in our next life?
That will be called as intelligence, because the mind, it forms the next body, and you will not remember it. But what happens is, when you take a next body, because of your karma, it happens that you go into such an environment wherein it will help you for your Krishna consciousness, or will help you for all your good things to do. Okay. So instead of starting from the base, it is what it is explained is that now when I go to a bank and if I deposit some money, when I die and I take a next birth and I come back, that money is not going to be there. The bank manager is not going to say, oh, Sita Priti, you were there last life. Come, take your money and go. No. Whatever money in the bank is there for me now, if I die, I do not take that, it is going to go wasted. But in the bank of Krishna's love,
How do you take this off?
what happens is that intelligence or that much of our bhakti, it stays with me. And Krishna says, okay, in your last life, you came till this stage of bhakti. Now you continue from that stage and go to the next stage. That is one of the best way how the Lord can help us to excel in bhakti. Okay. So it will be carried to the next life. You will not remember, just like Jadbharata remember. Not remember it.
Mataji.
Yes.
I just wanted to chant the verse, but now I have a question.
Yes.
My question is there a specific order, like if suppose just a random person who's a karma kandi in his next life, will he be anything like a bird or something, or is it an order that he goes in, like first a bird then an animal, something?
Yes. Because see, when we take birth, you know what? It depends upon what, first of all, what state of mind we are. Second, what our karma was, right? So next life will all depend upon that. So I cannot say that, see, like when Jadbharata, so many of them feel, oh, Jadbharata was already so exalted, then why did he come to an animal life? But if
Mataji, I have a question about the craft. Can we make up our animals that we want to make?
Yes. You are free to use your own imagination. Okay. And see, when you're making this, because of your palm, it will become a hole over here. So you can then you can put it either with a button or with a brush. Just you can use more paint and you can fill this up. Okay.
Mataji, can I see it one more time?
Yes, I'll show you. Okay, see.
No, finally.
Because of the palm, this portion gets a hole, right? So what I do is, whatever is not filled, I will just fill it up over here.
Fill it up.
Okay.
Oh.
So that middle portion does not look blank. Okay. And then if I want, I can have this also filled up. If you want. Otherwise, you can just leave it.
I'm gonna do it. There we go.
Okay, so it looks like the feathers of the. Okay, Okay, so this is the base reasoning.
Ah,
Okay. If you want, otherwise you can leave it. Then we will see what to do with the next part.
Mataji, I'm done.
Very good. Who is it? Now let me know what I'm going to stop share if you all are okay with it. And so that I can see what you all are doing.
Here.
Okay, where is it? Okay, Tanvik, very good. Very good. You did it the whole thing, right? So see, you can write over here, super soul and soul. The soul is eating the grains and the super soul is watching it. Who else has done it? Can you show me? Okay, Kavish. Then I have you spotted. Kavish, yes. Very good, very good. Who else is there? Let me see who else are doing it. Write over there.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, so you can write over here. This is the first. Okay, you know what? Yeah. Then you can black. Ashu, red. Ashutosh, you are not helping me. Okay, see what you can do is a beak over here. Okay, and then you can have
Okay. In the blue Mataji.
have the eye also over here. Yes, who is it? Let me see who is showing me. Tell me your names. Kavish is done. Okay, I will just spotlight myself to show you. See, you can have the they're done and the crown and then the beak. Okay. And then we can Manmai, let me see what you are doing. So what you can write over here. See? One second. Okay, super soul. And the soul, see? Super soul and soul. You can write. So that you know exactly what we are doing. Now let me see who else is there. Anybody who is done can show you. If you are done halfway also, show me. Yes, Karthik, 1 second. Let me see. No, Karthik, did you do Karthik? Show me. Yes, Pranav is showing. Very good, Pranav. And you can do the beak and the upper part also, okay? And you can write. Yes, Pranav.
Mataji.
Is the soul and the super soul, okay? Do not forget to mention that. Shreya, let me see yours. Shreya. Very good, very good.
Mataji.
Yes, Karthik, show me.
I'm still working on it. I'm going to show you how far I am.
Okay, no. Yes.
Mataji. This far.
Very good, Karthik. Very good. You can work on it, okay? Yes, Tanmay, you're saying something?
Can you show us how to make the owl?
Owl, okay. You know what? Owl, I will show you 1 second, okay? I will have the slide. Okay. Owl part, you know what? I will make another one. So for an owl, we need a brown, right?
ये बीच में राउंड करो ना और
Surabhi and Surabhi, Shavya, very nice. Radhika, Rasika, show me. Very nice, okay? And do the part where you are writing the super Surabhi and Shavya. So you can write whichever bird is eating, that is the soul. Very good, Vasu.
Can see water
Okay, who else is showing?
ऐसे था ना बीच में राउंड
Okay, Vasu is shown. Gandharvika, show me.
can you show the owl one more time?
Gandharvika will be two birds, right, Gandharvika?
Yeah.
Two birds you can have, okay? Very good. Wonderful.
Hey, wow, this bird is so beautiful. It's peacock, right?
Very nice. Very nice. Yes.
That's creation.
The owl one.
Yeah, I'm just mummy ne banaya pura.
Now I want to show you the owl also. Okay, I do not have a brown with me, so I am going to do the owl with a purple one. Okay.
You just put it red.
Now this is purple. Can you see?
ऐसे बना मैंने माताजी को एक और बार बोल
Okay. See, what I'm going to do is the owl will be upside down. Okay. The owl is going to be upside down.
Owl దీనిలో డ్రా చేసావా?
To a owl, it's going to be upside down. Again,
Yellow
you feel if you wanted to see a owl,
कैसे बनाना है
okay.
अभी तो है राघव। उतना अच्छा नहीं बना।
Priyan is the best.
फिर से लाओ, पेज लो।
For the owl, whoever wanted to see the owl, please see this. Okay. I will just have this owl touched over here.
Now we have to draw the hand भी बना सकते हैं
You have to.
Madhuri?
You want to draw? You can draw.
I'm heard you, Madhuri.
एक ये बना।
I just finished this.
आप ऐसे दो हाथ। एक quick side हुआ।
Spotlighted, Mataji. Spotlighted.
ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे हाथ दो।
You are spotlighted. We can see you nicely.
ये अंगूठा का अपना है। इसी तरह ये बन जाएगा अंगूठा, ठीक है? दोनों बन जाएगा, लाओ पेज।
Now see when you do this, let
दूसरा पेज दो। ये दो हाथ दो।
Mataji, can I mute all? Mataji, your voice is not coming up.
Okay, we are showing an owl for those who did not wanted to do an owl. So again, I'm going to have the paint all over my hand, which is a nice messy work. And I will have a owl. You can have a bigger paper and you can do one below the other, but I am just going to do it like this for you all. Okay, and then you take your hand out. If there is any space which is not been filled, we can fill it with the next hand by again doing the hand prints. Okay. Now for an owl, a little bit different we have to do. Let us see. Wait. I will just come back. I will just wash my hand and come back. Okay. 1 second.
Mataji, you forgot me.
Yes. So what
I made something by myself.
Show me what did
Carrot.
you get me paper? Okay. Now for the owl, you know what? Those who wanted to do the owl, there is one thing which we can do for the owl. What we will do is.
Mataji, I forgot.
What happened?
I forgot to make tail. That's what happened.
Oh. See, for an owl, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make eyes. Okay. For the eyes, I will just take any paper and then put this paint bottle over it, and I will just make an eye structure of a round structure. Okay. So let me over here. I will cut it out.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes.
What time does the class end?
Yeah, if you're done your craft, then you can leave. Okay, we are just finishing this craft.
Mataji, can Vrinda and Mukunda show?
Yes, Vrinda Mukunda, I will highlight you. Wait, very good, Vrinda Mukunda. I'll spotlight you.
Bye, Mataji.
Bye. Those who are done, you can leave. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Those who want to see the owl, can okay. See, those who wanted to see the owl, what am I doing is.
I am done. I'll show you.
Very good, Vrinda Mukunda.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
If you have, very good. If you have googly eyes, you can put googly eyes. If you do not have googly eyes, then you can put a round with the help of a paper, and then you can put the eye. Okay. Small eye, because the hands are small, right? See? Like this to fit in. See if you want to make an owl, and then
Hare Krishna Mataji, bye.
Hi Krishna.
Bye.
Make an owl, it will be like this, and then a nose.
And peace. Krishna Mataji, bye.
Very good. Once you're done, you can leave it.
It is hard to make. It's good.
I'm making a triangle for
Wow. It says
who wants an owl? Are you looking at it? Someone wanted to do an owl, right? And then what I can do is I can have, see, it can be that there is a tree. I can make a log of the tree.
I love it. Mama, I choose parrot. What I choose, not our flamingo. Flamingo is okay. And this, I like this. What's bird is this?
What you can do is you can make a log of wood over here as if the owl is sitting on the wood. Okay.
Mataji, can you please do this again?
Yeah, see what we did was over here. We made our handprint, but we made it upside down.
Oh, it's not.
And then,
Or you can just put the paper upside down and do the normal handprint and then turn it back up.
very good. Very good, Shilashna. That is also the thing. Like, okay, you can do it like this and make it upside down. Very good. Okay.
Mataji. Mataji.
So how do you draw a circle?
Mataji.
Yes.
Should I chant the words?
I want to make what?
Like this.
Should I chant the words?
Mataji, this is Vrinda.
Hari bol, Vrinda.
So
Something we
Okay,
made.
when you're doing this, if anybody wants to chant the verse, can we do it one more time?
Can I, Mataji?
Yes, eating like
Yes, go ahead.
it here.
वासांसि चरणानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय चित्राणि अन्यानि संज्ञानि नवानि देहि.
Very good. Anybody wants to do Bal Vrinda? Very good. Bal.
I don't want to. Thank you, Mataji.
Bal Vrinda. Very good, Bal Vrinda. Anybody wants to say this verse? Please go ahead. Tanvik, I'm going to spotlight your video. How you made? Very nice, Tanvik. Very nice. And I love it that you have done it up and down. Very nice. Very nice. Very good.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, anybody wants to say this verse? Nilima, who is the
Awesome.
Want to say this verse? Very good, Tanvik.
Yes, I'm collecting this.
If everybody wants to say, everybody together also can say. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya.
Vasamsi jinayata vihaya.
Navani grinati naro parani.
Navani granati naroparani.
Tatha sharirani vihaya jirnani.
Tata sharirani
Nani.
Anyani samayati navani dehi.
Anyani samyati naverani.
Very good.
What
So you can
about the other one, Mataji?
group and we can end the call now. Vancha kalpa tarubhyascha kripa sindhu
Eva cha, Namaha,